Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get and how you can make it live wallpaper of Among Us on your iPhone or Android. Right, it's really easy, and basically what you need to have is some sort of video with Among Us. So for example, I have this one, and what you need to do here is to simply go on TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, just download it, it's free and simple. And then go on TikTok and then press on plus icon that is on the bottom middle, upload your video here, press on upload that is on a right side, and select the video that you recorded with Among Us. So this is mine, and once you select the video, press next, and then you need to crop it, right? So I will crop it that only this part will see, right? So let's see how it looks. As you can see here, so that's what I want, maybe a little bit more. You can see here, this will be my wallpaper. All right, so looks pretty good. And once you're done cropping, press on next, that is on a top right corner, and then press again next, that is on the bottom, and make sure to basically save this video as a private here. As you can see here, who can view this video, press on private and then post, and after a few seconds the video will be posted on your TikTok. And if you want to access this video, what you need to do here is to press on this little lock here, and as you can see here, you will see the video. And as you can see here, this will be my wallpaper. And if you want to save it as wallpaper, what you need to do here is to, as you can see here on a right side, there is 3 little dots. Press on the dots, and then as you can see here, the option pops up that says live photo. Press on that, and this video will be saved on your device as a live photo. And once it's done, go on your photos again, find a live photo, so it will be probably the first option, and then press on a little arrow with a square on a bottom left corner and set as a wallpaper. All right, so scroll down, use as a wallpaper, and as you can see here on the bottom, there is a little circle with a cross, so toggle this down and basically it will be live photo. So let's set as a lock screen, and if we look how it went for us, as you can see here, we have a live wallpaper with a basically Among Us theme. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.